Dear students, St. Sebastian Pure College welcomes you back. In the last class, we have studied about the trigonometric functions of sum or difference of two angles. So we studied about cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan y. Now we are going to study about the trigonometric functions of multiple angles. First, let us see what is cos 2x. What is cos 2x? Now we have cos x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. In this, we replace y by x. We replace y by x. So that the formula becomes cos x plus x. LHS cos x plus x is equal to cos x cos y becomes cos x minus sin x into sin y becomes sin x. See, cos x plus cos of x plus x is cos 2x equal to cos x into cos x is cos square x minus sin square x. So cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. And we know that cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. So cos square x is 1 minus sin square x and sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. So in this formula, cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus, now sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. So this is cos square x minus 1 minus of minus plus cos square x. So cos square x plus cos square x is 2 cos square x minus 1. This is also another formula for cos 2x. Now once again, cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. But cos square x is 1 minus sin square x. So if we replace cos square x as 1 minus sin square x, 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. So this is 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x is minus 2 sin square x. So we have three formulae for cos 2x. What are they? Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x is also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 and cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now, let us find one more formula for cos 2x. Now we have cos square x equal to cos square x minus sin square x, right? So, let us divide this by 1 so that there is no change in the value. But we know 1 is cos square x plus sin square x. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Now, let us divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. What will you get? Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x whole divided by cos square x plus sin square x divided by cos square x. This is equal to cos square x by cos square x is 1 minus Sin square x by cos square x is tan square x divided by cos square x by cos square x is 1 again, plus sin square x by cos square x is tan square x. This is another formula for cos 2x. Cos 2x is 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So these are the 4 formulae for cos 2x, all should know. Next, let us find what is sin 2x. For that, we know that sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Here also, replace y by x. So LHS becomes sin x plus x equal to RHS is sin x cos x plus cos x sin x. Sin x plus x is 2x equal to sin x cos x plus cos x sin x. That means these two are one and the same. Sin x cos x plus sin x cos x. It is 2 sin x cos x. This is the formula for sin 2x. Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. One more formula in terms of tan x. Now we have sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x divided by, similar to this, let us divide by 1. So that this is 2 sin x cos x divided by cos square x plus sin square x. Again, let us divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. We get it as 2 sin x cos x divided by cos square x whole divided by cos square x plus sin square x divided by cos square x. Here 1 cos x cancels. What will you get? 2 sin x by cos x. It is 2 tan x divided by cos square x by cos square x is cancelled. It is 1. So sin square x by cos square x is tan square x. This is another formula for sin 2x. Next, let us see what is tan 2x. Same way, we know tan x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Replacing y by x, tan x plus x equal to tan x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x. LHS tan 2x, that is equal to tan x plus tan x, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x is tan square x. So tan 2x is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Next important problem is to find the value of sin 3x. How to write tan 3x? Sin 3x can be written as sin 2x plus x. Now this is of the form sin x plus y. Sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now here we have, in place of x we have 2x and in place of y we have 2x. See, sin x plus y. So sin 2x plus x equal to, now x becomes 2x, sin 2x, cos y, y becomes x plus cos x, in place of x we have 2x, sin y, in place of y we have x. So LHS is sin 3x, that is equal to sin 2 2x, just now we saw sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x into this cos x plus cos 2x, we studied that it is 1 minus 2 sin square x. As this is sine function, let us write the formula in terms of sine only. Even though we have 3 formulae for cos 2x, other 3 formulae for cos 3x, but it's a sine function. So let us try to get the answer in terms of sine only. So now the cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Next into sin x. 2 sin x, cos x into cos x is cos square x plus sin x into 1, it is sin x, minus 2 sin cube x equal to 2 into, here this is in terms of cos x, let us change that to sin x itself. So cos square x is 1 minus sin square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. So this is 2 sin x into 1 is 2 sin x minus 2 into sin x into sin square x is sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. So 2 sin x plus sin x, 3 sin x minus 2 sin cube x minus 2 sin cube x is 4 sin cube x. This is the formula for sin 3x. So sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Next let us see what is cos 3x. Let us see what is cos 3x. Let us write cos 3x as cos 2x plus x. We know cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Replace x by 2x and y by x. So this becomes cos 2x plus x. Cos x becomes 2x, cos y becomes x. Similarly, in RHS also, replace x by 2x and y by x. Cos 2x plus x is cos 3x. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. As we need the result in terms of cos, let us substitute cos 2x by 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x, and sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x into sin x. Now let us multiply. 2 cos square x into cos x is 2 cos cube x, 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sin x cos x, sin x into sin x, that is 2 sin square x into cos x. 2 cos cube x minus cos x, 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. Sin square x is 1 minus cos square x into this cos x. So this is 2 cos cube x, 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 1 into cos x, 2 cos x minus of minus plus 2 cos square x into cos x is cos cube x. Now 2 cos cube x plus 2 cos cube x, 4 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sin x is 3 cos x. So cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Now let us find what is tan 3x. For that, let us write tan 3x as tan 2x plus x. Same way, we know the formula for tan x plus y. Tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Similar to the earlier problems, we replace x by 2x and y by x. We get tan 2x plus x is equal to tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. So LHS is tan 3x equal to tan 2x. What is tan 2x? It is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x into tan x. Let us simplify this. Let us take LCM. 2 tan x plus this becomes tan x into 1 minus tan square x. Taking LCM, tan 3x is equal to tan 2x plus 2 tan x plus 1 minus tan square x into tan x, or tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x. LCM divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by, here also LCM 1 minus tan square x will be the LCM 1 minus tan square x. Here this is multiplied to this, so 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x minus 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan x into tan x is 2 tan square x. 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x cancels. This is 2 tan x minus, plus tan x into 1 is tan x minus tan x into tan square x is tan cube x divided by 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x is minus 3 tan square x. Numerator is 2 tan x plus tan x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. This is the formula for tan 3x. Next, let us see another set of formulae. They are called transformation formulae. Very, very important transformation formulae. They are, first one, cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Second one, cos C minus cos D equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Very, very important formula. Number 3, sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. And next one, sin C minus sin D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Students, it's difficult to remember or by heart the formula as it is. For that you should take some tricks. See here, if both are cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D, sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D. Here, if both are cos, here both are cos here. If it is plus, both are cos. If it is minus, both are sin with a minus sign. And in case of sin, for sin C, sin comes first, then cos. For sin C minus sin D, cos comes first, then sin. Use some tricks to remember this. Now, let us prove this. We have to prove this using already derived formulae. Let us prove cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Now we have cos x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Take it as equation number 1. Cos x minus y equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. This is equation number 2. Let us add these two, 1 plus 2. Cos x plus cos x minus y equal to, we are adding these two. Cos x plus cos y, cos x cos y plus cos x cos y. We get 2 cos x cos y. Cos x cos y plus cos x cos y, 2 cos x cos y. And here minus sin x sin y plus sin x sin y cancels. Next, let us replace, as we want formula for cos c plus cos d. Let us replace x plus y by c and x minus d. We want to substitute for x and y. How do you find x and y from this? For that, take this equation as, say, equation A. This as equation number B. Now let us add these two. A plus equation number B. X plus y equal to c, x minus y equal to d. We are adding these two. X plus x, 2x. Y and y cancels, plus and minus. That is equal to c plus d. So x is equal to c plus d by 2. Next, let us subtract a minus b, equation a minus equation number b. That is x plus y equal to c minus x plus y equal to d. X minus x cancels and y minus y. Y minus minus y becomes 2y. That is equal to c minus d, or y equal to c minus d by 2. Okay. Now, substitute in this equation. Cos x plus y is c, plus cos x minus y is d, equal to 2 cos x is c plus d by 2. Cos y is c minus d by 2. So this is what we want to prove. This is what we have to prove. Next, let us prove the second formula. Cos c minus cos d equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. For that, let us subtract these two. Equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So what will you get if you subtract this? Cos x plus y minus cos x minus y equal to cos x cos y minus cos x cos y cancels. Minus sin x sin y minus sin x sin y. That becomes minus 2 sin x sin y. See here, replace cos x plus y by c, so that it becomes cos c minus x minus y is d, that is equal to minus x is c plus d by 2, y is c minus d by 2, so sin c minus d by 2. This is the second formula. Next, let us prove sin c plus sin d equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2 sin c plus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. We have sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y minus plus cos x sin y. Say equation number 3. Sin x minus y equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Equation number 4. Let us add these two. In case of cos, sin x plus y plus sin x minus y is equal to, we are adding sin x cos y plus sin x cos y, 2 sin x cos y. Cos x sin y minus cos x sin y cancels. Like earlier case, replace x plus y by c, x minus y by d. So we got x as c plus d by 2, y as c minus d by 2. So thus sin c plus sin d equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2, x is c plus d by 2, cos y is c minus d by 2. And the last one, let us subtract equation number 3 minus equation number 4. Minus sin x minus y equal to sin x cos y minus sin x cos y cancels. Cos x sin y minus cos x sin y, that becomes 2 cos x sin y. Same way, x plus y is c minus sin x minus y is d, that is equal to 2 cos x is c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2, that is y. So these are the very important formulae. All should know this.